The Gen Z doesn't have a direction, I don't agree. They know what they want. They have too much of information and they lack navigation in this journey. Selling, there's a misconception that sales is a department.
I believe that they think that sales is a dirty job. I want to, probably do something else but not sales. Top 25 in-demand jobs on LinkedIn for the year 2025. Out of 25 jobs, there are about 7 of them which are sales jobs again. Look at Ritesh Agarwal. He started off selling SIM cards. A lot of interviews of his, he quotes that job actually helped me develop the life skill.
Correct.
And sales, I think, is a life skill that we cannot ignore at all. So what do you see is the difference between a tech job and a sales job? I want you to give me like 1-2 pointers.
Tech guy is a mother and father is a sales guy.
So let's see how Gen Z are you. I'm going to start with the easier one, Delulu.
I say come work on Sunday. Are you Delulu?
3 tips for any listener, any early stage career professional starting off or maybe just switching a job right now. What should be there on the resume? So what would you?
There's a better way that which I wanted to share with people.